Yeah, man. You see, even though I'm sad, I could still laugh and smile, and that's just me being natural. Still, I'm telling you, full honesty, though. But I'm here at one of my dear friend's house, and when I get straight to the point, talking about lower vibrational energies and compare it with what we call positive energies and negative energies. Okay. Inner children. Um, positive traits would be like being happy, being joyful, being caring, being kind, being helpful, you know, and so on and so on. And we got the other side, which is being negative, and that would be like being mad, being sad, being depressed, being angry, being frustrated, disappointed, offended, you know. And then we got what we call, what I would define as being a lower vibrational energy. You see, let's talk about negative uh, energy, right? I mean, like, I'm sad at the moment. I got my personal reasons for it, but I'm not hanging into a lower vibrational vibe. You see, that's just like what I said a while ago when I started filming. I am sad, but still I could smile. There's a lot of reasons I could smile about still. I'm a bit lonely due to certain circumstances, and yeah, it must be the vibes, or to say it like that. But you know, with all seriousness, it just happens that yeah, we are dealing with the natural time still, and we are learning to bear it. Hello.
Hello.
I'm making a video as usual. I just gonna need to like let this
Alright.
be expressed. So yes, yeah, I was saying something about positive energy and negative energy. Positive energy being joyful, being happy, being kind, being helpful, etc., etc. And then you have the negative energies being sad. Oh no, first being mad, being angry, frustrated, you know, which leads to confusion, sadness, depression, and so on and so on, right? And then we are trying to like say like we have to put our frequencies up and like put our vibration higher, right? And then we got this definition that we call the lower vibration energy. And I was just thinking about it. Look, I'm sad right now, but still I am smiling. I could still be happy, but I am sad, and that's a negative energy. But what I am sure about is I am not vibrating low.
Well,
Still.
you for
Still.
yourself, you find a way.
Yes,
Also,
and that's
to
what I'm.
lower
Yeah, I'm a
your
code
energy.
breaker in some way, you know, and I'm just dealing with it as it goes. But yes, I'm sad, but I'm having a negative vibe, perhaps you could say. But I'm not gonna lower my vibes. That's the only thing I'm gonna say for now. I'm not gonna lower my vibes. And yeah, some people like
Don't give up on it.
some people
Don't give into it.
could go mean also, and that's again being negative energy towards a negative energy. Like yeah, stop being sad. Like why you always being sad? Blah 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 blah. You know that's
That
being
won't
negative.
help.
You see,
Yeah.
and that's we cannot transmute it. We cannot heal it like that. So for me, like you could have negative energies, and yeah, there are occasions when sometimes you're gonna need to like bring a negative energy to like make things positive. That's ironically so, but it is so. I mean, you know, but yeah,
Well, maybe that is just how that is being perceived. If you're still
Yeah.
being calm, and maybe for somebody else or another person,
Mhm.
it can be perceived as negative, but that is maybe his own perception. For you, it's
Yeah.
actually standing up for yourself and being, it's not maybe a
Yeah,
nice
like-
subject, but
yeah.
it is like the most positive thing you
Yeah,
can
you
actually do for yourself.
You said it yourself,
So, yeah.
standing up, you don't stand going down, right? So you don't stand lowering yourself. So when you stand up, perhaps it could be taken as something negative, but by standing up, you actually like not lowering your vibes by it.
Exactly.
At least for you personally, I mean, like for the self personally, I would say. So I guess computer and recording. This is the transmission. Captain Kirk's calling.